Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Canada East Regional All Hands. Decided to leave Cayliens. Now we're back with Cayliens, kind of talking about the why.
Cayliens, thank you for being here. So nice to see so many of you. Old friends, new friends, waving friends. We got a lot of us in the house. This is great. So happy everyone could be here. So enjoy. Have a lovely night. Can't wait to talk to all of you. Salud. Cheers.
I love this team, and